What up, people? It is your boy, Mr. Noland again. Alright, guys, you have a very important test tomorrow. It is the first test of the school year. And like on my last homework video, I think a lot of students are going to struggle because we've had an issue with students rather talking. And this isn't just my class. It's pretty much across the board. Science, ELA, math, social studies. It seems like this sixth grade group enjoys talking a little bit too much, and the effort just isn't fully there. So I'm doing a little extra for this first test. I'm going to create a little video of problems you can do for practice, and then I'll make another video with the answer key. So this one is just some practice problems. Okay, so this first one is putting rational numbers where they belong. So inside my small circle is my whole numbers. And then we have integers. And then we have rational numbers. As a quick review, your whole numbers are your counting numbers, including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 50, 100, 1,000, a million, and so forth. It's a whole number. Can you have a fraction that's a whole number? Yes, as long as it simplifies to a whole number. Integers are whole numbers as well. The only difference is integers are negative. They are negative whole numbers. -1, -2, -3, and so forth. Your rational numbers are your decimals and fractions that do not simplify to whole numbers. Alright, so I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, and I'm going to give you 18 numbers. And your job is to place every single 18 number in the appropriate spot. Where does it best fit? So I'm going to stop talking for a minute and just start writing these numbers down. Parents, if I were you, I would pause the video for a second so that way you can write down all these numbers. And I would have your child do this on a separate sheet of paper. Give them 5, no more than 10 minutes to do this. And then you go back and you check the video that has the answers. If they miss one, you have them go back and redo it until they get them all right. And if they get them all right, have them do it one more time. The first 5 or 6 questions on this 12-question test tomorrow are just like this. Can you place them correctly? And to me, honestly, this is the easiest part of the test, is placing numbers where they belong. Okay? Alright, so again, I would pause this video if I were you, because I'm going to move on to another thing you can do as well. I know it's kind of ugly looking right now, guys. I will zoom in here so we can actually see it. There we are. Okay, on the homework, we have to do some comparing and ordering. Notice we got decimal, decimal, fraction, decimal, fraction. Excuse me. Sorry about that. What I would do here is I would convert the fractions to decimals. Then you can compare the decimals and put them in greatest to least order. That's what I would personally do there. You will have to do that on your test. Okay, here's another question you can do. Once again, decimal, fraction, decimal, fraction, decimal. Convert the two fractions into decimals. You can then compare them and put them in ascending order, which means least to greatest. The last thing that students are struggling on is turning fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. Okay? See if you can convert these fractions to decimals. How do you convert a fraction to a decimal? Tie, bow, top in, bottom out. How do you convert a decimal to a fraction? It's the number given over the place value of the last digit. So a couple of examples. Alright guys, I gave you quite a few practice problems. I really hope you do this at home. It's not homework. I'm not forcing anyone to do it. This is just for your benefit. I'm taking my time out to make this for you guys. So I really hope you use it. I will make another video a little later today posting the answers to all of these questions. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.